Hi everyone, I'm John Resso with Wales-Darby. We're here in our Warren, New Jersey recording studio. We built out this recording studio due to COVID, but today we're just going to do a brief product overview of the 0034e from Taco. It's a new ECM circulator that Taco offers. We're going to start with unboxing. So there's two different versions. We have a cast iron version and we have a stainless steel version. We're currently looking at the cast iron version, so I'm going to just take and open up the lid. Just want everybody to see how easy they are to and how nice they're packed. We have a born-on date in the box. Okay, remove this. In here we have some circulator bolts. We also have a connector. If you're going to use this circulator in a 0 to 10 volt situation, you'll need to use this connector. So we give you the connector in the box. You have your 0034e instruction sheet, which will run you through all of the different types of setup for the 0034e. We give you the two gaskets you need to install the circulator. And then we just lift the circulator out of the box and this box out of the way. So this is our 0034e. You can see here we have a dial on top, so there's a bunch of different setting modes which we'll go through. And really, this is a brief product overview. We want to show you the pluses of using this product. So from a ease of wiring standpoint, here's the circulator, two Phillips head screws. This cover will lift off. We have line, neutral, and ground. This is a 115, 208, or 230 circulator. This little connector will pull right out. You can wire it. You can have top or bottom. We give you the plug, whichever way you want to bring your wiring in, you can. After you wire it, you're just going to plug it right back in. And that's the ease of wiring of the 0034e. So this is the stainless steel version. Here's your circulator flange connections here and here. On the back side of the 0034e, you can see we have low, medium, high. That's three different settings. We have a 0 to 10 volt setting. This is an ECM circulator. With the ECM circulators, there's a much wider window of operation. And these are all the different circulators that the 0034e has the ability to replace. In addition to replacing all of these different circulators, because it is an ECM circulator, we can be up to 85% more electrically efficient than a standard AC circulator. So the 0034e has a bunch of features. We have a low speed. We have the LED light, just like the ECM family, right? We carried that through with all the LED lights. So on low speed, we can handle up to 13 feet of head. On medium speed, up to 26 feet of head. On high speed, up to 34 feet of head. We have what's called active adapt. So if you have a zone valve type system, that may be a setting that you may like. This will recognize as zones open and close within the system, and it will change the head and flow of the circulator to match the system curve much better and deliver more comfortable heating to the home. We also have right over here a 0 to 10 volt input. So we can take a 0 to 10 volt input. This will give you the ability to go down to 2 watts worth of energy. So we can go from 2 watts up to 170 watts of energy with this circulator. We also have some safety features built in. Air and black iron oxide are the two main reasons that circulators die in the field. So our 00s are equipped with what we call a bio barrier. This is the bio barrier that's between the water coming into where we have an ECM motor, which is permanent magnets. So we want to make sure none of that black iron oxide makes its way into the motor and attaches itself. So we have this black iron oxide barrier. In addition to that, we have a sure start mode. When the circulator is supposed to be turning, it will recognize if it is or not. If it's not, it will move the impeller back and forth and try to break it loose if it is frozen. Or if we see air within the system, we will ramp the RPMs up on the circulator motor and bring it back down, and we'll try to move that air pocket. If we're unable to move that air pocket, the unit will shut off. It will give you a red light. You'll have to go there, purge out the heat circuit, and then reset the circulator, and you won't have to change it. It'll be ready to go again. So sometime over the life of our ECM circulator line, they're going to save you a service call just by using this Sure Start feature. So here we are with the 0034e circulator. And again, there are two different versions. We have the stainless steel version, and we have the, that's for your domestic hot water type systems. And we have the cast iron version. So if you're installing equipment in that 250,000 BTU range up to that 400,000 BTU range, this would be a good circulator to look at, whether it's a boiler pump or a system pump. This will do really good on the system side, especially if you have smaller zones and you want the circulator to adjust. But this will take the place of a lot of different circulators out there. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Wales-Darby, and we'll be happy to answer your questions or help you size a 0034E for your next project. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you soon.